Hello, my name is Helen, this is my car, and this is still my channel. Hello, welcome back to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, I'll be replacing the front strut of my 2010 Ford Mustang. Using a 10mm socket, remove the brake clip on the front strut, like so. Also remove the plastic clip for the ABS sensor. Using a 17mm socket, remove the top sway bar link. Remove the two 18mm bolts on the strut. You don't need a counter for the knot because it already has a catch. Stay clear of the catch because it might hit you. Do the same thing for the bottom bolt. Now remove the four 13mm knots on top. There you go. Remove the two bolts and be ready to catch the strut. Be careful, this is really heavy. So this is a side-by-side comparison of the old strut and the new strut. So now let's put the new one in. It's really heavy. This is a two-person job. While Jeffrey is putting the strut at the bottom, I need to secure the knots on top. Gitna mo pa. Up, up, up. Medyo i-rotate mo ng pa-clockwise. Gitna mo pa, gitna mo pa. Gitna pa. Sige, yan, go. Sige, teka lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Sige, up mo pa. Teka lang
Bigyan mo lang muna naman.
Sige lang. Ayaw magkasya.
Wait.
Yan. Wala nga. Tumudulas. Okay na. Okay. Before you put the knot on, put some thread locker on it. Now bottom up the thread. Put some thread locker on the sway bar links. Now bottom up the knot on the sway bar link. Don't forget to put back the brake clip and nut for the brake hose. And finally, tighten the knots on top of the strut. And that's how you replace the front shocks of a 2010 Ford Mustang. This has been another episode of How to Helen, and see you in the next episode.